Hey, good morning. It's Dave Britton with Global Business Sales LLC. In today's video, we want to talk about how business might be just like football. Let's get into the video. A winning team has a lot of elements in it. Some of those elements are going to include a great coach, great team players, a strategy, execution of that strategy, and a unification of all the members on that team in order to achieve that end goal. That end goal obviously is to win the game, but there's micro goals in between. Example, get a touchdown, capture a turnover, get a first down, things like this. So it's the unison of everybody working together within that team that gets that end result. You're working in business. You have to treat it as a team sport. Although there's going to be times where you're out there all alone, you have to surround yourself with a winning team. No matter if it's a local, small business on the corner, like a local deli or a local pizza shop where there's one or two employees, you still have a team environment. An example of that are your supporting cast outside of the business. So using that pizza as an example, you want to make sure that your vendors are behind you, your landlord's behind you, you have a good accountant, your attorney prepped all your corporate documents correctly. These are all items that you want to really focus on the business. Keep in mind, in business, there is no such thing as an island. Everything is a team. If you don't have a team around you or you have the wrong team, the odds of success dramatically diminish. On some statistics, although they vary in range, if you go to the SBA.gov website, I'll leave some links in the comments below. Most businesses, about 50% of them, fail in the first 2 years. In the first 5 years, almost 80% of new businesses fail. Why is that? Well, if you look at a lot of those and some of the common denominators, yes, there are some items such as lack of financials or lack of financial capital, lack of business acumen or business service. Sometimes the marketplace didn't need that product or service. But a lot of times when you really dig in deep, it's because they had the wrong team. You need to have the right team around you. That's what makes a business accelerate, thrive, and succeed. Going on to a topic that I can say also is a lot to do with mindset. So you want to make sure that the mindset of the team is all positive in the right direction. As an example, although I'm not a spokesman for the Tampa Bay Bucks, I must say the energy and euphoria that's around the city with the introduction of the team that's coming to place is astronomical. Never seen anything like this. Very excited for this year. Yes, I'm a firm believer that the Bucks are going to win it all this year, and I'll go out on a limb, say that they might break all offensive records with the combination that they have. But that's another topic. I just wanted to outline that as my personal dream and wish of seeing the Bucks win the Super Bowl. But on the business side, what it's trying to illustrate is the importance of making a shift in your team. If you don't have the right team members around your end goal focus that you're looking to do, whether it be a Super Bowl, whether it be having an incredible business, maybe expand the business, or maybe looking to buy or sell a business, you need to have that team around you. When you have the winning team and all the elements in place and everybody's in sync and in focus for that common goal, boom, it happens for you. Sometimes trying to find that team or put those teams in place, some people might not know who to place in, what qualifications to look for. a whole host of other items, or kind of where to start. I always say that one of the elements that you should do is figure out what the end goal is that you want. When you have that end goal, work it backwards. Just fill in the blanks and the pieces that need to be done. An example, I know this is a metaphor and it's very, very basic, but if you want to make a cake, you say, you know what, I want the best chocolate cake for my birthday. I want candles that go up 5 feet high, have sparklers flying all over the place, and the best chocolate in the world. Well, you know that's what you want. Now just break it down. All right, I have to go to the store and get candles. I have to get a baker. I have to get the frosting. I have to get some eggs. You get the idea. So work it backwards. Let's say that your goal is that you are thinking about exiting your business, as an example. And you want to do it properly, where you have the most benefit and the easiest but most optimal chance of success for that exit. That's the goal. Now work it backwards. What do you need in order to obtain that? I've done a lot of videos on this. I'll leave some links below, but that's an idea. So have that goal and then work it backwards. I'd like to personally invite you to reach out and put some links below. They can be good, bad, indifferent, doesn't matter. It's taking action to the goals that you're looking to achieve. When you do that, you're going to get a result. If you get the results you want, keep going. If you don't, analyze why you're not getting those results, pivot, change, and maybe either change those team members that you have or the execution of what is being done. When you do that, you'll be a champion and you'll win, not only in business, but in life. If I can be of any service, whether it's business consulting, maybe acquiring a business, helping you scale your business, exiting a business, or simply just general business consulting and coaching and mentorship, or just some positive vibes, reach out. Let's schedule a call. Let's have a chat. You can also hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. Love to build the channel, and you can follow us on Facebook. And if you need me for anything, I'll leave the links below. It is Dave Britton, Global Business Sales LLC. Go to our website, globalbusinesssales.com. Also businessbrokerdave.com. If you need to call me, 813-395-9552. In summary, pick and take time to build your winning team, and you'll win. With that said, last thing, Bucks are winning the Super Bowl. You better believe it. Fire the cannons.